Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impression video about an iconic scent released from a distinguished and very popular design house, and it's very popular among the fragrance community as well. It's a beautiful cool weather scent. If that interests you, stay tuned. Welcome to Soul Scents. If you're tuning in for the first time, on this channel we talk about smelling beautiful, exploring new perfumes and reviewing them. Finally I managed to get my hands on this iconic scent, DIOR HOMME INTENSE by Dior. So let's open the box. This is just a beautiful CD sticker on top, and let's take out the plastic wrapping. Yes, take a look at the packaging. It's a beautiful matte box with silver color, printing, and there's a beautiful bee in front. And below you can see the ingredients and the batch code and barcode. And yeah, behind there's some information. And yes, let's take a look at the bottle right now. That's the beautiful, gorgeous bottle. Beautiful golden liquid inside, and below you can find the batch code and some information. And this is the 2020 version. And there's a bee on top of the atomizer, and that's the lid. Very clean, luxurious looking bottle, very modern as well. Well, actually this is my second Christian Dior perfume. The first one I used to love that to bits. That was Christian Dior Fahrenheit, which used to be my favorite before. Yeah, so this Christian Dior Fahrenheit, it's a very strong scent. It has that petroleum or after the rain smell to it. So it was a very different scent, beautiful, spicy, floral, woody scent. And but this is it's complete contrast to that Christian Dior Fahrenheit. This is a more modern, elegant, classy scent. So recently, I just had this urge to actually go kind of smell how it is, and so I just went to this Sephora, and sadly there was just that tad bit left in the tester bottle. And although the sales girl put a few sprays on my hand, but I could not get the full range of the fragrance. I could just get that little bit sweetness. So this is going to be my first impressions review and video, so let's see how it goes. So this iconic scent was released in the year 2011, and the perfumer for this was Francois de Mochi. He was the in-house perfumer of Christian Dior then, and I think Francis Courchon has replaced him as the in-house perfumer of Christian Dior currently. And there have been a couple of reformulations of this, and I've seen reviews. They said it's a little bit fresher, but it's more or less still the same DNA. Now let's take a look at the notes of this perfume. I think the top notes they have lavender, the mid notes they have iris, ambrette, and pear, and the base notes they have cedar and vetiver. And let's classify this perfume according to the perfume wheel. And this comes under the genre of floral and woody scents, because the predominant note is iris, which is a flower, although they get the fragrance from the root of the plant, and it has vetiver and cedar. So yes, this falls under the floral woody genre of scents. So blast the spray and tell you my impressions. Oh god, this is one of the best sprayers, guys. Christian Dior always had fabulous atomizers, and this is no less. Oh god, this is very, very different than the perfumes I have, because most of them are fresh, clean, ideal for summer. But yeah, this I've just started collecting perfumes, you know, for the cold weather and night out. So yes, I can get the very infamous lipsticky vibe, which, you know, a lot of people describe, but it's very difficult to actually pinpoint or pick up the notes, individual notes. Yes, I do get the vanilla, although it's not, you know, described in the notes. Vanilla, I can get that sweetness, you know, lipsticky vibe, you know, as soon as you enter this malls and, you know, the makeup section, you just get that beautiful, you know, smell of lipstick. You know, that vibe they've just absolutely, you know, put together in this perfume so beautifully. And it gives you that very sophisticated, luxurious vibe. And yeah, it's a cozy scent, you know. It's a little tamed down compared to the previous versions, and I think it's again close encounter scent. It's getting a little musky. I think that ambret is causing that musk note. It's gorgeous, you know, it's blended beautifully. And in fact, I was just waiting for a, you know, rainy cold day to actually do a unboxing video, and you know, today it started pouring throughout the night, and even morning it was raining. So yes, it was a good time to actually unbox and sniff it for the first time. But I can't tell you, you know, the entire range of expressions or the vibes that this perfume gives. It was just the initial first impression video. So this is a iris fragrance, and so I've had actually one more iris fragrance, but that's more on the clean and fresher side, and it's the infamous Prada Infusion D Homme. This also has iris predominantly, but this is very fresh, powdery, you know, clean vibe. You know, it doesn't have that lipsticky, or it doesn't have much of sweetness. It's a very dry, you know, perfume. Although it's marketed towards men, I can, you know, I think it's quite unisex, you know, because it doesn't have that element of, you know, brash masculinity. So definitely women can pull it off, and I'm sure a lot of women out there must be, you know, wearing this scent. But having said that, you know, definitely men also can wear it, and you know, can easily carry this off. Yes, because it's very smooth, creamy, and classy scent. So that was the unboxing and first impression video about this gorgeous, iconic scent, DIOR HOMME Intense. So guys, if you've liked or enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and so waiting for you guys to tune in next time. Bye.